Hiya folks, Cody here from Foxton, New Zealand, and welcome back to a brand new video, which today, I don't know what's today really, today's like 13th of February, so I'm just going to shut the window so you guys don't see. Hold up. Alright. Don't know who's coming today. I hope nobody comes and steals from me, like really, yeah, but nobody comes and shoots me, you know. No, I don't think we're gonna have nothing today. But
Cody, let me in. I want to bust down the door if you won't let me in. Hello? Can you let me in, please? Okay, I'm gonna bust it down.
someone's here.
Cody, let me in. I want to bust down the door if you won't let me in.
Oh my god.
Hello? Can you let me in, please? Okay, I'm gonna bust it down. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I need to ring him. Got a call from a robber. Alright. How did you find my number?
Cody, let me in. I want to bust down the door if you won't let me in. Hello? Can you let me in, please? Okay, I'm gonna bust it down. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! This is a robbery! Oh. You guys did not see that, honestly. Okay, Oh no. Guys, you guys can't see this. Put your hands up! This is a robbery! Oh no. Guys, I swear I gotta go. Cody! Where are you? Guys. So guys, I gotta go. God, Cody, I know you're here. Oh my god. Guys, I gotta go. Oh no. Hello. Oh. Please. Please, no. Please, no. Please. No. You thought you could stop me? You thought you could stop me for now? One more shot. Yeah. You're dead. Okay. Anything to steal in here? Might as well not, but... Might as well maybe not to steal in here. Okay. Well, I guess there's nothing here except Cody's dead. Because I shot him on purpose. I should not have done that. His nan would not know, honestly. His grandmother. I mean... You've been so long, bro, and I never report about it. What's this camera doing here? No reason for when I shot him. God, I need to clean this up. Okay, hold up a second. I need to clean up all this blood that I shot on his body. Okay, much better. We cleaned it up. So I don't want to ask us all. Sorry, Robert has to pick his nose sometimes. Okay. Got my old shotgun here, which you guys can see it's a shotgun. Yeah. My old robber shotgun. Which today we're gonna play some robber games actually. Never thought of a robber could play any games lately, but don't really know, but goodness. Okay, we're playing Thief Simulator. Let's go. Robert has to sit down. Oh. Okay, let's play. Is there anything on here? Create. Name. Well, Cody's dead actually, so I'll put Cody in because it's his name. Oh! Whoa! This is even cool?
Guess what? When I was laying there, I heard that you were going to ask Jackie.
What's going on? Seems I'm through enough. Baby crying in there. Driving a car? Well, that seems through enough because I don't even drive a car, but Cody's dead. We move this around. Move it around. Get in the car. Whoa, get in the car. Okay. Slow it down. Slow it down's easy, you know. Oh yeah, we're gonna drive a car. Through the city we go. Oh god. Oh my god. Gonna drive a car. We gotta go, turn around. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, this is so hard on the phone.
Burning tires in a stolen
I haven't used the phone in a minute.
up so bad outside the bar. Heading out as far away I can. Heart's running out the damn out of him.
No, it's too by. To buy something I never trusted in my whole entire life. Okay, drive here. You say drive here because you know. Heck it knows.
Yo, I create on drum drops and 808 black tops. Grab the mic so we don't react.
Oh my god, I crashed into a pole.
To match, in fact, we verbally vibrate your track. Then crush your confidence like plastic condiments. Build you up.
Crashed into a pole, Jesus. No! I didn't crash into a pole. Crashed into a pole. The police! Let's get out! So we have to get out and just go inside.
in there? There's a cop car here, but I don't really know what it's supposed to do, really, because let's go back in. Huh? Did the cop just go? Where did the cop go? He didn't go anywhere. Sorry, my mouth. My mouth isn't going anywhere. Oh shit! Oh shit! I crashed. Oh man, no! I keep crashing. You know what? Excuse me, ma'am. Oh, come on. Go. Alright, fine. This lady doesn't want to be robbed. Well, that's fine. Let's get back in the car. Where's pawn shop? Yeah. Let's set that destination. We're going there. Where is it? Kevin, this will be our place. This will be our place right here. Let's go. Alright. These robbers are done for. My nose. Okay. Is this not the house? Hello? Oh, okay. Can we go in? We need weapons? Okay, I steal some stuff. Yeah, we stole that. Okay. Gee, a lot of stuff here that these people do. Okay, we're gonna be quiet. Honestly, what was it to be so quiet? Okay, I'll just take this. Grab the TV. Let's put it back in the trunk. Where's the hot top? Oh, here. Where's the car? Here it is. Okay, put this in the trunk. Sorry. Don't want to wake the people up. Okay, let's go. Right. DVDs. Give me all these. Let's take this. Nobody's in mood when I'm gonna steal anyway. Okay, take this in the TV. Put this in the trunk. Nothing's in there really. Oh. God. My nose is hanging out. Anything in the oh!
Hey!
Sorry! Sorry, woman. I'll just grab these. Don't call the cops. I gotta sneak. Okay, come on.
this TV up. Put it in the trunk. No. Put up. Okay. Why'd you call the cops on me, woman? Okay. Did you see me? Please don't see me. Move off this. Cannot take that. Alright, well, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. No. Let's get out of here. Quick. Oh my god, I'm in my mouth. Let's go. Oh, God. Alright. Let's go. No, at the back of the trunk, please. No! Go! Get in the car! You ain't gonna catch me, coppers! You ain't gonna catch me! We'll lose them. Oh, God! Oh my God! Where are you doing this? My car's all busted. Excuse me! Oh my God! Fix it! Run! Yeah, flash car. Oh, I can't even get in this thing. I just can't. Honestly, all this time that I had not got a car, I could buy this car definitely. Nah, that's too much money. Oh, I will just walk there. What house is it gonna go to? Store, yes. Okay. Let's go to the store! We have no car on us, so let's just walk. Oh my God. What are they after? Is it gonna jump off here? Okay. Oh my God. Run! Okay. One last store and I think I might go because Cody's dead, but I moved him outside of the doorway and his nan's room, but it doesn't matter really. Where is the shop? Oh, it's over the other side?
Oh, crap. Okay, it's this way. I can see where it is. Here it is. I can see it. Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Anyone home? I want to come in. What's the way here? Come in. Oh, excuse me. Supermarket. Can I get in, please? Oh. Where's the bottom of my gun? Where's the bottom of my gun? No, this is boring. Okay. Alright. Must have to get out of here. Go rob some honest stores around Foxton Town. I mean, you say I want to rob stores, so reckon I would do that? Okay. Okay. See you later. I guess so. Alright. Alright, guys, signing out now. Bye. See ya. Go to rob some honest stores. That's what Cody says in his signature, but I won't say that. Okay. See ya.